Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make olive vegetable mushroom sauce cover soft tofu recipe. Hope you like it. Earthy shiitake meets fermented olive veggie in a wok. Their umami salty synergy creates seafood-like depth, clinging to rice like a flavor magnet. The salty punch of mushrooms and olive veggie clashes gloriously with chilled silken tofu. Its creamy pores soaking up every drop of umami, creating hot, cold flavor fireworks in your mouth. Ingredients: soft tofu, dried tofu, shiitake mushrooms, olive vegetable. This is the brand of olives I use, and they taste pretty good. This is not an advertisement. It's just the taste of home that my family and I like. Optional to add dried tofu. Omit if you don't like. Cubes dried tofu and set aside. You can also use soy minced instead. I personally think it tastes better and has a very good chewy texture. In addition, I personally think that the taste and texture of vegetarian dried shrimps also go well with this recipe, so you can try it. The dried tofu has a solid and chewy texture. It is pressed and has a firm texture, but has micropores. When you bite it, the outer layer is very tough at first, but the more you chew it, the chewier it becomes. Wash and cut mushroom into small cubes. Stir-fried shiitake and preserved olive veggie create a briny umami bomb with their fermented intensity clings to rice like a vegan XO sauce. Shiitake's pack immune-boosting beta-glucans and rare veggie source vitamin D, while ergothiamine, a unique antioxidant, fights cellular aging, a true superfood. Remove soft tofu from packaging and place on plate. Steam soft tofu for approximately 5 minutes. Let's prepare mushroom sauce while steaming soft tofu. Add dried tofu and mushrooms and stir-fry until release fragrant. The dried tofu and diced mushrooms need to be stir-fried over medium heat for 5 minutes until they are slightly charred. The entire process should be controlled within 8 minutes to prevent the dried tofu from becoming hard or the mushrooms from releasing water. Add a spoonful of olive vegetable and stir-fry. Olives are pickled and cooked, and the key to frying time is to stimulate the aroma without burning it. Add olives and stir-fry quickly for 30 seconds and turn off the heat immediately to retain the crispness and fermented flavor, suitable for noodles and fried rice. Stir-fry olives over medium heat until the olive turns green and emits a nutty aroma. At this time, the saltiness is softer, suitable for stir-frying tofu or steaming vegetarian food. After frying until fragrant, pour in 2 tablespoons of water so that there will be sauce for rice. If you like your tofu dry, then you can scoop it out and put it on the tofu. Once boiled, add cornstarch water to thickening the sauce. Tofu is ready once sauce is cooked. Cover soft tofu with mushroom sauce. Optional to garnish with chopped chili. Delicious olive vegetable mushroom sauce cover soft tofu is ready to be eaten. This mushroom olive veggie paste packs umami depth from shiitake and fermented brininess, perfect for boosting noodles, rice, or tofu. Its savory, tangy profile works magic on bland ingredients. Think steamed eggplant, acting as a vegan XO sauce. Store it for 2 weeks and grab a spoon whenever you need instant flavor. Save this shiitake olive veggie paste recipe for family meals. Even picky kids will lick their plates clean and beg you to make it again. The boxed soft tofu you bought is a sterilized cooked product and can be eaten directly after opening the box. However, if you need to eat it hot, such as mapo tofu, it is recommended to simply blanch it in boiling water for 30 seconds or steam it for 5 minutes to remove the bean smell and heat it to keep it tender and smooth. The soft tofu sold in bulk in traditional markets may not be thoroughly boiled, so it is recommended to heat it thoroughly before eating. 1:1. Mix cornstarch and cold water in a ratio of 1:1 until there are no particles, and avoid directly sprinkling the powder to form lumps. 10. After the soup boils, turn to medium-low heat and slowly pour in the sauce while stirring. Turn off the heat when it becomes transparent within 10 seconds. If it is too thick, add a small amount of hot water. If it is too thin, add more sauce and mix it again. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.